Hello friends, welcome to the Soft Learning. Today in this video I will tell you how you can write the research paper or review paper through AI. So without wasting your precious time, I will come straight to the point. You can see three tabs open in my browser. The one is Paperpal, the second one is Quill Bot AI, this is referencing tool, and the third one is My Bib. So first of all, we will create the content through Paperpal, and then we will convert this content to non-plagiarized content with this paraphrasing tool Quill Bot AI, and after that we will reference our content through this site My Bib. Okay, so first of all you have to click on new web document. After that here are some options: edit, rewrite, write, translate, templates, research, checks. You will click on this if you have something to write and so you can write in here, and if you want to create the content through AI, and you can click on this, and you can see there are options, outlines. This is for research article, this is for case report, and this is for essay, statement of purpose, brainstorm, title. If you don't have title, then you can click on this title, it will generate for you. And if you want to brainstorm your ideas about topic, then you can click on this brainstorm. But all of you will have your own topic. If you are doing your research, then you will have your own topic, your data. This tool will help you. You can get help from this site. When you start from scratch, it is so hard to write the paper, and if you have these tools, you will easily get help from this tool, and you will have some content in front of you. So I will click on research article. This is research paper has some sections: introduction, methods, result, discussion, conclusion. First of all, people write introduction, so I will click on introduction. It depends on you. I am just showing you how you can utilize this tool. And after that, select your field of study. I am selecting physical sciences. If you are a medical student, you can select medicine. If you are from life sciences, you can select life sciences. Okay, and after that you can briefly describe your study here, your topic, brief idea you can give here. So if you it depends on your topic, but I will randomly give some sentences to it. Let's suppose I want to write the research paper on membrane technology. Okay, so I will write here membrane filtration for oil water content. And then you can click on generate. Okay, so I will need to complete the 10 files. Okay, so the Paperpal is giving you a lot of content about this topic. You can see here hypothesis and objectives. First of all, it gives you background. Okay, And after that, topic importance, existing knowledge about your topic, knowledge gap. This is the important thing, and research. Okay, and rational of research question, and aim and objective. Okay, so you can insert all this content into your writing document. So this site Paperpal, you can get maximum help from it. I don't encourage you to copy and paste from this. I don't encourage you. I am just saying you can get help from this. You can paraphrase your this content, and you can get help from this, because when you write from sketch, it is difficult. It gives you just the ideas, the content. And if you want to, so this is your content. Okay, the second best option in this site is research. If I ask a question about my research, let's suppose I'm writing difference between dead end membrane and cross flow membrane. Okay, so click enter, and these are your results. These are your results. Okay, you can see here, this is an amazing tool. It gives you content with references. Here are papers. You can see here the primary difference between dead end and cross flow membrane filtration lies in the flow dynamics relative to the membrane surface. And continue. It gives you these references. This part is taken from this paper. Not exact, but this is the specialty of this site. You can copy this and paste into your paper, but I don't encourage you to copy paste. I just mean you can get help from this. You can then paraphrase this. You will write this in your initial draft. So you can paraphrase this. Let's suppose I'm choosing this paragraph for my research paper. Okay, this for introduction, because I'm here writing my introduction. This I will only show you this paragraph. Okay, I want to write this paragraph in my introduction with this reference. So I will copy this, because Paperpal gave me that, but I don't know it is plagiarized, and there are journals who do not accept the AI based content. So this is AI content, and maybe it is plagiarized. So I will go to paraphrasing tool and convert this text. You can see here fluency standard, choose according to your need, and I will paraphrase this paragraph. Okay, you can increase this. You can see here my paragraph is paraphrased to non-plagiarized content. It is changed from this original content. And after that, if I want to add references in my Word document and my research paper, then how you can do references. Your paper references will be 40, 30, it depends on your paper. I am showing to you just one paragraph. Okay, this is the DOI, copy DOI. You can click on add citation. You can see here, click OK. You can edit the author's name, and you can see here your citation is added, your reference is added. Okay, you can also do the same procedure for all the paragraphs of your introduction. Let's suppose I'm choosing this, copy the DOI. It also shows you that the journal is credible or not. You can see here. And one thing I forgot, you can also change the style of your references. If you want Harvard, if you want MLA, it depends on your choice. It depends on your journal template. Okay, and when you complete your references, then you can download works cited, or you can copy on this. Okay, you can copy on this. I hope you have got what I have shown to you. Again, I am telling you, you can get help from this. I do not encourage you to copy and paste in your Word document. You can get help from this. You can get all these paragraphs of introduction, abstract, methodology, and you can convert all these paragraphs to non-plagiarized content or non-AI content, and then you can edit it by yourself. It will ease your work, and after completing all your work, you can then reference, you can do your bibliography from this website. Okay, so I think I have covered all of the things in this Paperpal and Quill Bot AI and My Bib. You can edit here. There are some options. You can edit your content and rewrite what you have written. You can rewrite, you can paraphrase, you can trim, make academic, all these options. It is so easy. If you go to this website, you will understand everything by yourself. And these are the templates. Okay, and these are the this is the research option I have shown to you, and I have also shown to you this. If you want to write abstract, then you can click on this. It will scan all your content, and then it will generate the abstract. You have to write at least 500 words in your document. So this is easy. I just select one paragraph, and I showed to you all the process, how you can write the paper, how you can convert the plagiarized content to non-plagiarized. Maybe this is plagiarized, you can convert it to non-plagiarized content via this Quill Bot AI, and then you can do your references in this site. Okay, thank you. If you have any question, then ask in comment section. Okay, thank you for watching the video.